Hi, my name is Craig Zalvan, and I'm a laryngologist with the Allergy Associates, and I work out of our Tarrytown office. What I find that resonates with a lot of my patients are post-viral, post-cold, persistent problems that affect the throat. And this can include chronic throat clearing, feeling of a lump in the throat, persistent hoarseness. Even after all the other cold symptoms have gone away, people can complain of these symptoms for weeks, even months or years. So if you or somebody you know has hoarseness that occurs as you use your voice for a long period of time, or it gets tired by the end of the day, some people run out of air, or the quality of your voice is just not the same as it used to be, and you know that this all started with that cold you had a few weeks, months, or even years ago, you might be having one of these post-viral neuropathies, where the nerves inside the throat can be damaged by the viruses that gave you those colds. Now, of course, there can be many other diseases that cause these symptoms, such as chronic sinus issues, allergies, reflux. But typically with these other symptoms, there are going to be other findings, and we're going to be able to identify that. Most people with a persistent post-viral neuropathy have all these symptoms despite multiple treatments that have been tried. So the most important step is to see a laryngologist. Have a stroboscopy, which looks at the vocal cords vibration in slow motion and helps us to identify patterns and findings that are consistent with these post-viral neuropathies, and also can rule out chronic sinus issues, allergy, and reflux disease. Once identified as the cause of your hoarseness, this can be treated. Firstly, removing some of the triggers, such as nasal drainage or reflux, with a diet-based approach. This can help minimize the triggers that are causing you to have the chronic cough or tickle or changes in voice. There are types of vocal therapies that can be very helpful once we know exactly what's causing the hoarseness. And finally, there are some medications that we can use for nerve problems, as well as nerve exercises, all of which can help eliminate or alleviate some of these symptoms. So now that I've educated you on this particular type of voice disorder, let's go out and celebrate our voices, get an appropriate workup, diagnosis, and treatment, because these too are treatable. Happy World Voice Day 2024.